Hello everyone, welcome to Decode's Azure podcast. I am Ajay Chandwania, having 7 plus year of experience in a development and work with the different cloud platforms like AWS, GCP and Azure. We have Chanchal Khatri here with us.
Hello everyone, I am Chanchal Khatri, working as a DevOps engineer at Deqode. I have worked with different cloud technologies like AWS, GCP and Azure. I have hands-on experience with different cloud tools like Docker, Terraform, Kubernetes, GitHub Action and many more. And recently I am working on Azure project.
So in today's podcast, Chanchal and I will be talking about some of the Azure services and the future growth in Azure. So Chanchal, since I know you started your career as a support engineer and now you're working as a DevOps engineer. How was that experience been for you?
While providing support for a product, I also did some site migrations and worked with some of AWS services. And by doing these kinds of tasks, I got interested in the DevOps field. And then I began to learn certain DevOps tools, which allow me to work with a variety of cloud technologies.
That's really great, Chanchal. After listening about your experience, I would like to share some of my insight from my backend engineering path. So while working as a backend engineer, I wonder how these applications are deployed on infra, how things are working on an infrastructure side. So I learned about that, and after working with the different projects on different infrastructure, now I'm working as a SRE engineer. So when it comes to the popular cloud, we have options like Azure, GCP and AWS. But I would want to know, why did you choose Azure?
Well, it's a very critical choice to choose the best cloud provider. The reason I preferred Azure is the demand for Azure in the market. Microsoft Azure is one of the fastest growing cloud services, and many large enterprise applications are built in Azure. And Microsoft Azure easily integrate with existing Microsoft products, It also provides a platform to run several open source products.
True. It's a very important decision for enterprises to select the right cloud vendor. Azure provides a hybrid approach such as platform as a service, and various beneficial features are important to every cloud strategies nowadays.
Right, Ajay. Microsoft Azure has more data centers and delivery points than other cloud services. This allows Azure to deliver content faster.
Yes, a great decision indeed. So Chanchal, why don't you shed some light on some of Azure services like RBAC?
There are lots of services to discuss, and among them the most important one is RBAC for security purposes. RBAC is an authorization system that provide fine-grained access management of resources in Azure. It allows you to assign permission to user, group, and application at different scopes. For example, you can use RBAC to let one employee manage virtual machine in a subscription, while other manage SQL database within the same subscription. So Ajay, can you share that how beginners start with RBAC?
Yeah, sure. So RBAC is very important as a service for a security purpose. One should start from learn the basics RBAC concepts, then examine your security policies, decide how much RBAC your organization needs, decide which recommendation roles are appropriate for your organization, and decide if any additional role or rights profile are appropriate for your organization.
Yes, Ajay. These are important points for one to start with RBAC. Azure has been designed based on Security Development Lifecycle, that is SDLC, which is an industry-leading assurance process. And Microsoft guarantees the best in terms of safety for all operation and data on the Azure cloud. So we can trust Microsoft Azure for our data security.
Exactly, you got it right.
This was a brief of the conversation we had on this episode for the Deqode podcast. To listen the full episode, click on the link in the description and hit that subscribe button to get early access of the upcoming episodes.